Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Hey guys, so we're putting our favorite matte lipsticks to the test by running them through a series of tests. So Vani, what's your favorite matte lipstick?
My favorite is this lipstick from Faces, and it is the Ultime Pro Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Truffle.
I love the fact that it has that kind of bold element to it. It's like, it's not really hot pink, but it's still dark hot pink. I don't know if that's, you guys can understand the difference. But I love it, especially when I go out because I really do like to go out looking like bold, like making a statement. So yeah, this is why I love it.
I'm actually loving the Nykaa Matte to Last matte lipsticks, and to put it to the test, I actually picked up the darkest brown that I had, which is shade number 5, Madras Kapi.
And my favorite lip shade is from Maybelline. It's from the Lip Gradation collection in Mauve 1. And I actually use it a lot. I use it practically every day because I feel like it's the perfect matte, and also it's the perfect shade because I feel like I'm a little dusky, and there are very less tones which can fit dusky people perfectly, and I feel like this is not too brown and not too nude. It fits you perfectly. We're gonna drink some water from this mug and see if it leaves a stain on the mug.
Alright.
And if we get a weird feeling, or if the lipstick crumbles, or you know, that weird feeling. So we're gonna test that out.
Let's try applying it.
Yeah.
Hai na? Okay.
So am I.
So I think our lipsticks are dry enough.
Mine is, I guess.
Mine is too, I guess. I mean,
Let's put it to test.
Okay, so now we have to take a sip of water.
So, as you can see, mine has it's not a very prominent stain. Like this would do, and also it's not completely dry, so I can say that like this is not a big deal. This is not a bad thing.
I get it. I mean, so of course, itna stain to matlab hota hi hai. Like, okay, there are lipsticks that do not stain
at all.
whatsoever.
Here, if you can see this tiny mark here. But I think that I will give it another chance because it's almost never happened. And again, I have thopoed it.
I think we should give it another.
Let's try again.
It's less.
It's like almost like nothing.
Yeah.
So that's a
Same.
awesome sign, guys.
Same. So I think that's just the first time, like once you've applied the lipstick and ekdam se you have water, so obviously there will be a little bit of stain, but I think this honestly works for me.
I mean, mine has
A lighter mark.
a lighter mark.
Mine has, I feel like mine has the same amount. But see, at least when you look at my lips, do you feel like it's washed out?
No.
So then,
No, actually no.
it's glossy, right? It's like,
To me, when I have it on, it's not crumbling or it doesn't feel, weird or uneasy.
I do not have this tacky feeling.
Yeah.
I don't like the lipstick is also not extremely drying or pulling at my lips. So that's like one really annoying thing about super matte lipstick. And it did not transfer as much the second time. So I think,
This one passes the test.
okay,
Like,
so thumbs up.
so for me, it's like a thumbs down.
for me, it's thumbs up.
Okay, so time for the second test, which I'm super excited about because it involves
food. So now we're gonna take a bite of this wrap and let's see if it transfers on the wrap or not.
That's paneer wrap.
Ready?
I'm gonna eat it from the white side so I know. I think it's spotless. I don't see a stain anywhere.
Me neither, man.
That's a lot. Mine is just light.
In my defense, yours also a lighter color. So if it's almost skin color. Mine also, in my defense, is very light.
I mean, I think that's possible. Possibly because yours is pink.
You want to take one more bite?
If you say so.
I mean, we have to, I
Yeah.
guess.
It's not bad actually. We kind of criticize the wrap.
See, itna nahi hai.
Huh. It's right here.
I'm so busy chewing. No, actually for me there is no stain, which is
Really, sure?
amazing.
Yeah.
So for me, it's a thumb up.
For me also, it's a thumbs up.
You feel it like crumbling?
No, mine is intact.
So is mine actually.
Yeah.
I might have some haldi on my lips, but
No, I can't
apart
see
from
it,
that,
don't
it's
worry.
fine. So yeah, it's a pass.
Thumbs up.
So now, the last and final test is about the kiss.
On our beautiful boy Aniket here. So, I mean, shall we get started?
This pretty boy here, on his जितना भी space बचा है ना, जिसमें है skin दिख रही है उधर.
Are we supposed to do it together?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, I'm gonna kiss.
Fart.
Might.
So I think ऐसे करना जरा. I love doing this. There is बहुत हल्का सा tint, like barely, and like I wasn't too gentle.
There's no mark.
Mine is. How can there not be?
On this side also, it's not clear. Like it's like she said, it's just a tint,
Yeah.
and like he won't get caught at home. So I think that's a win-win for both of us.
Yes, so apparently mine left a mark. It's a brown mark.
Mine didn't. Please zoom in that slight area here. There is no mark.
I think this is a pass for me.
Thumbs up.
So yay! This is a pass for him too.
Okay.
Yay! Pass for me. 2 out of 3.
Okay.
So, what do you think? Like from the time we started to now, like I can see that your lipstick has gone a little lighter.
Lighter.
So, what do you think about mine?
Yours is intact. I mean, it was like
don't know why I
this
made
clear,
that
and you know, it's there.
Yeah.
They're quite decent, like they're doable and all.
But see, the last and final test is, let's compare. I feel like, is it true? It feels like my lipstick is still on.
I feel like your lipstick is still on and
glowing.
It's nice. I mean, I'm liking the slight. I'm not slight. It's a nice bold pink, but it's still there. It's prominent. It's there. Mine, I feel like it's faded away already.
But that can again be the fact that you have a lighter color, but still, you failed the kiss test, which is the best test. Best test.
So, my lipstick won.
Yes, Shraddha, good on you.
So let us know in the comment section below if you have a favorite lipstick and if you like to take these amazing tests.
And also, guys, if you're wondering where these mugs are from,
Don't forget to check out POPxo shop.
We have cushion covers, laptop skins, phone covers, and a lot more. So, just click on the link in the description box below to check those out.
and also for more such videos, keep watching POPxo Beauty.
Bye.